How's it going, everyone? So the corn behind me here is ready to pick, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys 2 absolute dead giveaways to make sure that your corn is right before you pick it. But first, if you are new here, then welcome to my gardening YouTube channel, where I'm all about trying to help you grow as much of your own organic produce for as cheap as possible, as well as giving you some tips and tricks for things like harvesting and growing, just like this video, so please consider subscribing. Okay, so the first giveaway is these Silky tassels. They will start to go brown and dry off just like this, and this is a really good indication of knowing that they are ripe or that they are very, very close to being ripe. So the second giveaway is just to strip back some of the outer leaves, the outer husk, and just get your thumbnail and just press into one of the kernels, and if it gives off this milky sort of color liquid, then you know that your corn is ready to harvest, as this shows that it is full of sugars. However, if it is clear liquid, then it won't be ready because the sugars haven't quite developed yet. So there you go, guys. I hope that really helps you with knowing when to pick your corn, just to make sure you get it at its full sweetness. So I know that was a bit of a shorter video, but really was no need to lengthen it out. But I will leave it there, so if you did like that video, then make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you have any comments, suggestions or questions, or you just want to say g'day, make sure you leave it down below and I'll get back to it as soon as I can. Otherwise, if you really did like that video and you want to know more about growing your own organic produce or saving money in the garden and other things like that, then make sure you definitely subscribe. My face will be popping up around here in a moment if it isn't already, and you can click on that just to make sure that you are updated and notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, I'll leave it at that, and hope you guys like that. Hope you're all having a cracker of a week and your gardens are exploding with lovely growth, and I will catch you all next time. Cheers all, and have a good one.